This tutorial provides an introduction to the process of enforcing a judgment. For the purposes of the Civil Procedure Rules and this tutorial, a person who has the benefit of a judgment or order is referred to as a judgment creditor. The person against whom the judgment or order is made is referred to as the judgment debtor. The court will not automatically enforce a judgment or order made against a judgment debtor. It is the judgment creditor who bears the cost and time risk of seeking to ensure the judgment debtor complies with the terms of the judgment or order. This tutorial is concerned only with the enforcement of a judgment or order for the payment of money, with the sum which has been ordered to be paid by the judgment debtor being referred to as the judgment debt. There are a variety of ways in which a judgment debt can be enforced. Advising your client as to which is the most suitable method of enforcement in the circumstances will first require consideration as to the extent of the judgment debtor's assets. If the judgment debtor does not have any assets, it is unlikely to prove cost-effective to attempt enforcement. Oral examination. If there is any uncertainty as to the extent of the judgment debtor's assets, it may be prudent to apply for an order to obtain information. In the event the order is granted, the judgment debtor will be required to attend before a court office and answer questions as to his assets and means orally. If he fails or refuses to do so, the judgment debtor will be referred to a judge who may make a committal order. An application for an order to obtain information must be made in the prescribed form and served personally on the person ordered to attend court at least 14 days before the hearing is due to take place. The judgment creditor may be required to pay the reasonable travel expenses of the judgment debtor. See CPR 71.2.3 as to the form of application. CPR 71.3 regarding service of an application for an order to obtain information, and CPR 71.4 regarding the payment of expenses to the judgment debtor.